Welcome everybody to the first lecture of our introductory section of our Python hacking course. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you where you can find and how you can download and install the VirtualBox software that we're going to need in order to create our virtual machines. Okay, now it is rather easy to install this software, and as its name says, we're going to need it in order to host the Kali Linux machine in which we're going to write our Python code. So let's get straight into how to download it. So all you need to do is go to your Google Chrome or Firefox, whichever search engine you're using, and navigate to the link virtualbox.org. Once you visit this link, it will lead you to this page where it would tell you to download VirtualBox 6.1. Now it doesn't really matter which version you are going to download, they're rather all the same, so you can simply just click on the newest one, which in my case at the moment is 6.1, click on download, and it will lead you to this page where it will ask you for which type of host you want to download the VirtualBox. And right here under the VirtualBox platform packages, you can choose Windows hosts, OS X hosts, Linux distributions, and Solaris hosts. Since I'm running Windows 10 environment on my main PC, I'm going to navigate to the Windows hosts, and just like that, it should start downloading the VirtualBox installer file onto my machine. As we can see right here, it is not that large of a file, it is 108 megabytes large, so as soon as it downloads, you can simply just run it and install VirtualBox. The process of installation of VirtualBox is rather easy, but I'm still going to guide you through the steps as to how to install VirtualBox. So as we can see right here, there's not much time left. Okay, so here it is. Let's open this up, show in folder. I will paste it onto my desktop right here, and all you need to do is run the file. We get a pop-up window which says preparing to install, and here is the welcome window to the VirtualBox. We want to click next right here, next here as well, and under the custom setup you can choose which options you want to leave unchecked and which options you want to uncheck. So for example, I will leave all 4 checked as I do want start menu entries and I also want shortcut on my desktop. So I'm just going to click on next right here. And this is a warning that usually comes up once you install VirtualBox, which tells you that during the installation of VirtualBox you might actually temporarily disconnect from the internet. Even though that never really happened to me, it might be the best idea in case you're downloading something to actually wait for that to finish before you actually click on the yes to proceed the installation. Since I am not doing anything at the moment, I am simply just going to click here yes and click here on install. And as it says right here, this may take several minutes, usually it is around 2 to 3 minutes. It will ask us for the administrator password. We're going to click here yes, since I don't really have a password to type in, and it should start installing VirtualBox on my machine. Now, you might notice that I already do have VirtualBox, but this is 6.0 version, and this version is actually going to be updated to the newest one, which is 6.1. So I'm just going to wait for this to finish and I will get back to you right away. Okay, so the installation has finished and I'm just going to click right here, finish, and it should automatically start my VirtualBox. And here it is. Now, your window might be a little bit different because I already have some machines installed right here and you should not see any of these Kali Linux machines or Ubuntu machines, OS machines on your screen. This should all be empty. You should see these buttons right here, which new stands for basically creating a new virtual machine, which we're going to take a look at how to do in the next video. For now on, we successfully installed Oracle VM VirtualBox, and in the next video we're going to see how we can install Kali Linux as our operating system on the virtual machine. Okay, so thank you for watching this tutorial and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye!